Hey, this is Clayton Long, and welcome to the Net Language channel, the Net Language lessons. If you've never taken Navajo language before, and if you're older, like a teenager, we focus on those folks. But then we also focus on the later, older generation that have never taken Navajo language before. So this is kind of like a place where you can practice, a place where you can visit, a place you can ask questions. Those are the things that we deal with, and we'll do it in both English and Navajo. So welcome everyone. Yat en kitishnido lesno yagi ade. So this is a thought never that be ha zito be na sodo be ot be inot anka koje bahalsis ad kuida nail ka with alching adel. So every week, about twice a week, we'll be able to come to you and give you a video clip, and then also welcome you to a class that we would like you to be part of. Welcome everyone.